After an accident in Visalia, dashcam footage can be valuable evidence to support your side of the story. Proving how the accident occurred and who is at fault can go a long way when it comes to obtaining the best settlement offer. Dashcam evidence provides visual proof of the events leading up to the accident, which can help show the sequence of events and provide an accurate retelling of the accident scene. However, California has laws and regulations in place regarding recording others. For example, California is a two-party state, meaning all parties have to consent to being recorded. So if a passenger doesn't consent to being recorded while in your car, you may not be able to use the footage captured on the dashcam. Generally speaking, dashcam footage can be used as evidence after a California car accident, but it's always helpful to have experienced car accident lawyers on your side to make sure you're fully leveraging your legal options. If you've been injured in a car accident in Visalia, contact Maison Law for a free consultation.